6 super easy weight loss tips. If you have been trying to lose weight permanently, then these 6 weight loss tips may be just what you need to kickstart your weight loss program. You may have heard some of them before, but if you make them a part of your core goal, you'll not have as much difficulty achieving your weight loss goals. 1. Include exercise in your lifestyle. If you want to achieve long-term weight loss, you must not only be careful of what and how you're eating, you must get off your butt and exercise. It has been reported that 80% of those who lose for the long haul make changes to the diets and make exercise a part of their lifestyle. 2. How much are you really eating? It's not always what you eat, but how much you eat. By eating smaller portion sizes, you can eat whatever you like because you are not overeating. 3. Super easy exercise. Walking is one of the easiest ways to sneak exercise into your daily life. It is easy to do, and requires no equipment except your own body. To make walking even more effective, park your car further away from your destination, walk up hills, use the stairs, and alternate walking with brief periods of running. Get in as many steps as possible each day to rev up your internal calorie-burning machine. 4. The best no-calorie drink in the world. Substituting water for those artificially sweetened diet drinks and sugary has many advantages. First of all, it has no calories. Plus, it's great for your skin and hair. And drinking water before and during meals helps to stave off hunger and fill you up more quickly. Be careful of those liquid calories in other drinks, they can really add up. 5. Eat more frequent smaller meals. When you eat more frequently, 4 to 6 small meals a day, it helps to keep hunger at bay and stabilize your blood sugar levels to keep from zapping your energy. And when you eat, you'll be less inclined to stuff yourself. 6. Your weight loss goal is not achieved overnight. Nor is it achieved in 2 weeks or 1 month. In order to really drop weight, you must realize that there is no quick fix. You must dedicate yourself to making lifestyle changes that will help you reach your goal. If you follow these tips, your body will thank you and you'll be happier in the long run. Check out the links in the description for some weight loss programs that may be of use to you. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.